We are discussing about the Boolean theorems. Last class we have discussed the properties of 0. That is, in properties of 0, 0 is combining with the logical variable. 0 plus x is equal to x. Then second theorem, 0 dot x is equal to 0. Today we are discussing about the properties of 1 and idempotence law. Then properties of 1. In properties of 1, 1 is combining with the logical variable. Here x is the logical variable. That is, 1 is combining with the x. That is the first theorem, 1 plus x is equal to 1. Second theorem, 1 dot x is equal to x. First theorem, logic gate symbol, plus means OR operation. So we need one OR gate. Inputs are 1 and x. Output is 1. So 2 input OR gate with the inputs 1 and x. Then the output is 1. In the second theorem, 1 dot x is equal to x. Dot means AND operation. So need one AND gate. AND. So AND gate is same as D. Then inputs are 1 and x. Output is x. Then we can prove the first theorem, properties of 1, that is 1 plus x is equal to 1. See, first proof by truth table. In proof by truth table, first column is 1, second column is x. Value of 1 is 1 itself. What are the possible values of x? 0 and 1. And the result column is 1 plus x. Then in OR operation, what is the result of OR operation? If all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. See here, any of the cases like that, all the inputs are 0? No. So here output is 1. In both the case, output is 1. That is 1 plus x is equal to 1. See, we got both the values are 1. From this truth table, we can prove that 1 plus x is equal to 1. Then, what's proof by perfect induction? Proof by perfect induction means we need to substitute all the possible values of for the logical variable. Here, what are the possible values of x? 0 and 1. So, first we need to substitute x is equal to 0. Theorem is 1 plus x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 0, see, this is the theorem, 1 plus x is equal to 1. In this equation, which is the LHS side, 1 plus x, which is the right hand side, RHS is 1. 1 plus x is LHS, 1 is RHS. Then, if x is equal to 0, LHS is equal to, LHS is 1 plus x. We need to substitute 0 for this x. Then, that is equal to 1 plus, instead of x, 0. 1 plus 0. That is equal to 1. 1 means that is equal to RHS. Then, second possible value is if x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, LHS is equal to 1 plus x. Then substitute 1 for this x. Then that is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. We got LHS is equal to RHS. Hence this theorem proved. That is 1 plus x is equal to 1. This is the in properties of 1 first theorem. That is 1 plus x is equal to 1. Then in properties of 1 second theorem is 1 dot x is equal to x. 1 dot x is equal to x. Then proof by truth table. What are the input? What are the columns? 1. Second column x. Output is 1 dot x. 1 here 1. Then what are the possible values of x? 0 and 1. In AND gate, what is the output? If all the inputs are 1, output will be 1. In AND gate, if all the inputs are 1, output will be 1. See here, in this case, 1, 1. That is, all the inputs are 1, so output is 1. The first case, output is 0. See here, the second column is x. What is the value for x? 0, 1. What's the value of 1 dot x? 0, 1. That is, second column and third column equal. Means 1 dot x is equal to x. 0, 1, 0, 1. That is, 1 dot x is equal to x. Next, proof by perfect induction. In proof by perfect induction, we need to substitute all the possible values for the x. Here, values are 0 and 1. So, theorem is 1 dot x is equal to x. Here, LHS is equal to 1 dot x. RHS is equal to x. Then, if x is equal to 0, LHS is equal to 1 dot x. Then put the value 0. Then that is equal to, instead of x, which value we need to put? 0. That is 1 dot x is equal to 1 dot 0. 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. 0 means, see here 0 means x. That is 0 is equal to x. That is equal to RHS. Next, if x is equal to 1, LHS is equal to 1 dot x. Then substitute 1 for x. Then instead of x, we need to put 1. That is 1 dot x is equal to 1 dot 1. That is equal to 1. Because here all the inputs are 1. This is AND operation. So the output is 1. 1 means that is equal to x. That means that is equal to RHS. That we got LHS is equal to RHS. So hence the theorem proved. That is, in properties of 1, first theorem is 1 plus x is equal to 1. Second theorem is 1 dot x is equal to x. That is, in properties of 1, 1 is combining with a logical variable. 1 is combining with x. First theorem, 1 plus x is equal to 1. Second theorem, 1 dot x is equal to x. Then next theorem, next Boolean theorem, idempotence law. Idempotence law, first one, x plus x is equal to x. Second theorem is the dual of first theorem. First theorem is x plus x is equal to x. What is the dual of this theorem? What is the principle of duality? From one Boolean relation, we can derive another Boolean relation by changing OR sign to AND sign to OR sign, 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. That is, change all plus sign to dot sign to plus sign, 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Then what is the dual of this theorem? X plus x is equal to x. We need to change this plus symbol to dot. Then what will be the second theorem? X dot x is equal to x. That is, the first theorem is x plus x is equal to x. Second theorem is the dual of the first theorem. Then how can you represent this first theorem using the logic gate symbol? Here plus means OR operation. Then so we need one OR gate. Here what are how many inputs are there? One and only one logical variable. But here in OR gate, minimum number of input is 2. Here 2 inputs are there, but both the inputs are equal. So here one and only one logical variable, that is x. So here x, both the inputs are x. In OR gate, in this OR gate, both the inputs are X. Then we will get the output X itself. Then the second theorem, it is the dual of the first theorem. How can you represent this one? It is using AND gate. Then in this AND gate, both the inputs are X. That is, both the inputs are same, X. Then output is X. Then we can prove the first idempotency law, that is X plus X is equal to X. Then proof by truth table. What are the columns? X. Column is X. X is combining with X. That is, here output is X plus X. Then here X is adding with X, or 0 dot 0. 0 dot 0 is equal to 0. Here 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. That is, see here, what is the value of X? 0, 1. What is the value of X plus X? 0, 1. So X plus X is equal to X. Then by the proof by perfect induction, we need to substitute all the possible values for the X. That is, X is equal to 0 and X is equal to 1. Theorem is X plus X is equal to X. Then if X is equal to 0, what is the LHS? X plus X. RHS is X. Then LHS is equal to X plus X. What is the value of X? 0. That is equal to 0 plus 0. In OR operation, what is the output? If all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. So here output is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to X. 0 is equal to X. So that is equal to RHS. Then if X is equal to 1, LHS is equal to X plus X is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is equal to X. That is equal to RHS. That is, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the theorem proved. Then second idempotency law, second theorem is the dual of the first theorem. That is, second theorem is X dot X is equal to X. This X dot X is equal to X is the dual of the first theorem, X plus X is equal to X. We have proved the first theorem. If one relation is true, its dual also will be true. If one equation is true, that equation's dual also will be true. First theorem we have proved. Then the second theorem, X dot X is equal to X. That is the dual of the first one. Hence the theorem proved.